Hello everybody, Huddersfield Transport 92 here, and I am at Doncaster. I thought I'd stop off here on my way home from Derby because it's always a fun visit here. Lots of passing speedy trains, lots of stopping services, maybe some freight and yada yada yada. Over behind me in the Doncaster works is 91126 in for testing of some kind. Way off in the distance down there is a class 56 and a class 88 of some kind, which I'm really really disappointed because I really want to see that 88 in action. I'm wondering whether it's going to pass by at some point today or not. I have no idea. Behind me is a dog box 153 about to depart for Lincoln. What's his numbers? 326. There she goes. She's off. I've just noticed way off in the distance, and I'll show you in a minute, that 56 has got its rear lights on, so I'm wondering whether she's going to partner up onto the 88 and come through. I wonder. But anyway, let's get on with it here at Doncaster. Okay, as promised, I'll show you. There's the 56 all the way down the distance with its rear lights on. So I wonder if it's going to connect up to the 88 and head this way. But I don't know. Is there anything else interesting happening? No. 321 or 322's just departed for Leeds, and that's about it. So, with that in mind, let's see what's going to be next. Okay, pulling in now is a Virgin train service to London King's Cross, formed of a 225 set. I wonder if there's going to be anything interesting on the rear. From what I can see so far, that's going to be a negative. Looks like a standard red rear. So who have we got on the front? 82202. Alright, she's in. Pretty much. And we'll catch the 91 when she departs. Wait for her to squeal. There we go. Right, let's play the waiting game. Okay, two things happening. Here comes a 2-2 set on its way up north somewhere. We have 91, 231, and departing is 82202 with the 91. We'll be back to see in a second. Rear is 91117. She goes to London. Right, let's see what's next then. Alright, so then coming in now is a 225 set of some kind. We have 91 106. Long way. 82 206. And I'm ignoring the pacer. It would seem the Transpennine Express service is about to come. So I don't know whether she's leaving just yet, so we'll catch her as she comes through. Alright, departing now is the Transpennine Express service to Manchester Airport. 185 127. Okay, arriving in now is another Virgin Trains service to London King's Cross for 82226. With a 90 on the rear. Finally, I've caught a class 90 on the VTEC services. I'm a happy bunny today. By the looks of it, it's a DB Schenker on the rear. So that's going to be very nice when that goes by very shortly. I am a happy boy. Yes, finally. Okie doke. In that case then, let's wait for this baby to depart. Okay, departing now is the VTEC service down to London King's Cross. I can't remember what was on the front of this, 82226 I think, maybe? There is a Grand Central 180 Adelante sneaking up platform 1 as we speak as well. I don't think I'll get its numbers. Hey, that was a tone from the 82 up front. And 90039. And there it said Adelante on the rear. I finally got to catch a class 90 service working. That makes me a happy boy. Also coming in, by the looks of it, I want to say it's a jump pairing of 185s, but I'm not 100% sure. It is, it's 2. 185 141 with 185 131 on the rear. On its way to Cleethorpes. Well, very nice. Very nice indeed. Righty then. Let's see what's going to arrive next. Okay, coming in now is 158901 for a northern service to Bridlington. There she goes. Very nice. Right, let's see what's next. Okay, sneaking through now is a DB Schenker 66 on its way to somewhere weird and wonderful. 66 105. Okay, coming in now is a VTEC HST service. We have 43302. Apparently the world speed record HST. 43 307 in the rear. And just pulled in is 82225 with a service to King's Cross. Just pulled in on platform 1, so we'll catch what's on the rear of that as it departs. Okay, I didn't catch it in time, but 82225 was on her way to London King's Cross, but she gave off a horn to the engineers down the line before she departed, and I missed it, unfortunately. Oh, no, she did it again, we're good. Let's see what's on the rear of this 225 set. We have 91 108. Sounds like a jet. Anyway, let's see what's going to arrive. Okay, creeping in now is another 225 service on its way to London King's Cross. Not London King's Cross, facing the wrong way. On his way to Leeds, more than likely, I think. Leeds or Newcastle, one of the two. We have 91131. Oh, it's on its way to Edinburgh. I don't know why I say King's Cross, I just had it. 220008 is just left for Southampton Central. We have 82228 on the rear. Okie dokie. Let's see what's going to arrive next then. Okay, pulling in now is a cross-country service to Newcastle, apparently. Formed of 220 double 025. 220 025. Down in the distance is another 225 set on its way to somewhere, but I'm waiting for line clearance for some reason. So let's see what happens with that as and when she comes through. Okay, slowly sneaking her way in now is another 225 set on her way to Leeds. Formed of Flying Scotsman 91101. Now, is she paired up with the DVT? That is the question. I'm going to guess no. No, she's not. 92,210. 82,210. Getting my numbers mixed up there. Anyway, let's see what's happening. Okay, about to pass through. It's a VTEC HST service to London King's Cross. Not coming through very quick, but 43,318. With 43,299 and a full train service at Monday. 180. I can't remember how many. There's a way of remembering it. I've forgotten. Also departing now is 82219 on its way to London King's Cross. So we'll go all of a sudden. Wow, they scream. on the rear we have 91125. Now I wonder if that's something else down there. 158. 797 on its way to Sheffield. There was a GBRF 66 in the distance, pulling a ballast train on its way to somewhere. Oh, that's a track train. Or heading back towards Nottingham way. Anyway, let's see what's next. Alright, pulling under the tunnel over there, finally, is the Coast Rail 56. And clagging away quite nicely. I wonder if he's going to do it again. Now I wonder what it's up to. I wonder what that's up to. Hello, beautiful. Pulled into the unused line. It is 56094. Now I wonder how long you're going to be here for. Not long, I'm assuming. Very nice. Down in the distance is the HST service rolling in for VTEC. I'm just going to keep my eye on this Coast Rail for a few minutes though. I don't want to catch anything unnecessary. No. Try that one again. Don't want to miss anything. Also creeping through is the said HST service 43319. With 43313. I wonder what's correct. Go ahead. He hasn't for the minute. So I'm going to slowly play the waiting game and see what happens with 56094. Okay, crawling in now is a Virgin Trains HST service to Leeds. (43206). Wonderful smell of diesel in the air. Who we got on the rear then? 43. She's had a bit of a touch-up recently as well. She's shiny and painted. Apparently, there's another VTEC service due on its way to King's Cross, so we'll catch that when she departs. Okay, I made a mistake. It is not a Virgin Trains service, it's a full service. Full train service. My apologies. But yeah. A lot going on at the minute. Obviously there's 56094 over there, There's a Transpennine service hiding down there, waiting for line clearance to leave. There's the HST to Leeds, and the whole service to London King's Cross. Lots of things going on. So I guess we'll play the waiting game again. Okay, stealthily sneaking off is the whole train service to London King's Cross from 180 Adelante. I cannot see the numbers. All I know is it's 180. Whistling as she leaves. Also about to leave is the Transpennine service as well. So I'll try and catch both. Yes. I can't see that number, to save my life. It does have a number on it, but I can't see it. What is happening with Transpennine? You leaving yet? Yes, no, maybe? No. Okay. So we'll wait for it to start. Oh, hello, you're making some vacuum sounds. You're going then, guys. Stop. Clagging away with a little horn. And about to pass is 185 143 on its way to up she goes. Manchester Airport she's off to. Where's 56? 56 gone. 56. Gone on a little adventure. The HST has just left the Leeds behind me as well, so sometimes. Right, let's see what's next. About to troll through is a GBRF 66. It is 66776. Yeah, wow. She's been given clearance to run. Right then, let's see what's going to arrive next. Okay, sneaking off without me knowing is the 225 set on its way to London King's Cross, so I didn't get the DVT, but at least I could still get the 91132. I was too busy checking real-time trains for interesting stuff, and unfortunately I ended up missing the departure of the DVT, so my apologies. But anywho, let's see what is going to arrive and depart next. On second thought, I'm going to leave this video here because I really want to get back to Huddersfield so I can get on with the rest of my day and stuff. And I've got a couple of things I want to go do before I do that, so like eat and etc. So with that in mind, thank you everybody for joining me here at Doncaster on the East Coast Mainline. It's been actually pretty fun with most of the locos that have pulled through and gone by and etc. So for the short amount of time that I've been here, about an hour and a half-ish, it's been pretty good. And my hay fever's acting up real bad. That's one of the main reasons why I want to get home. I've taken a tablet, but it's not going to keep me covered for long. So with that in mind, everybody, thank you ever so much for joining me. Leave a like and a comment and etc. down below, and I'll see you all again very, very soon. Ta-ra guys, peace.